6:47 on this Friday morning. We are tracking another chilly and for some foggy start to the day. There's a look at the Wave 31 Skycam network right now. Temperatures once again in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Lots and lots of sunshine, thankfully. But you see that fog, especially out in the Shoals and Guntersville this morning. There's the latest visibility numbers. It's low wherever that fog is taking place. Take a look. 1 mile in Scottsboro right now. 5-mile visibility out in the Shoals. 2 miles up in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. And again, very patchy out there. We've also seen some reports and some algo traffic cams of some of that fog along 565, specifically near the Greenbrier exit. So just take it slow if you're heading out early this morning. Don't forget those low beam fog lights too. On the Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, it is a quiet picture, and thankfully it's going to stay a quiet picture for at least the next 7 days. Big reason why: the big blue H, high pressure dominating our weather pattern across much of the United States right now, and that high pressure is slowly moving its way towards the east, the center of that high pressure, and as it moves closer to North Alabama, that'll allow our temperatures to climb ever so slightly back into the 80s, especially as we get towards the early part of next week. For today, though, we're still going to be in the 70s, a few degrees warmer today compared to Thursday. Take a look at that temperature trend. Warming up quickly to 68 by around lunchtime today, 73 by 1 o'clock this afternoon, and 76, that is your forecast high. And for reference, that's still about 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. Big game Friday night. Tonight's the big night. Absolutely perfect. Touchdown forecast. Those temperatures in the upper 60s at kickoff, down to the mid 60s by halftime, right at 60 degrees by the fourth quarter. You'll see more clouds tonight. There is a weak disturbance that's just going to kind of slide through North Alabama tonight. It'll just bring us more cloud cover, no rain chance to speak of. Our big game Friday night game of the week here on Wave 31, Russellville at Hartselle. We'll have full coverage from our Wave 31 sports team starting at 4 o'clock today. Here's future radar with those temperatures in the lower 70s, like I mentioned, by around lunchtime. See those clouds start to filter in, especially in our southern middle Tennessee counties by 7 o'clock this evening. That cloud cover really increases while we're sleeping overnight tonight. And for that reason, those temperatures when we wake up on Saturday morning will be in the low to mid 50s. That cloud cover moves out quickly tomorrow afternoon, and we'll have lots and lots of sunshine for the rest of your weekend. We're in the upper 70s tomorrow, and then we'll be back into the lower 80s as we head towards Sunday afternoon. Here's the latest on Hurricane Sam. Became a hurricane just at the 4 o'clock update earlier this morning. Category 1, 75-mile-per-hour winds. Notice the latest track still has it over open water, so that's some good news. But look how strong Sam is going to become. A Category 4 storm as we get towards tomorrow night and early Sunday morning. And for the time being, like I mentioned, that track keeps us out over open water. But we're going to have to watch for possible impacts in the southeastern U.S. in the next 7 to 10 days. So we're talking next Friday and into next weekend. It is way too early for specifics at this point, but the general trajectory suggests we might have some problems on the eastern seaboard late next weekend, early next weekend. Of course, we'll keep an eye on Sam over the next 7 to 10 days. Here in North Alabama for the next 7 days, well, it's pretty quiet. Feeling like fall, that is for sure. 76 today, back to near 80 on Saturday, in the low 80s on Sunday, and we'll just hover in the mid 80s all of next week with 0 rain chance.